Hey guys, I got this Shark Navigator lift away with self-cleaning brush roll today at Costco. And I'm loving it so far. After I have tried probably 5 different vacuums in the last 5 months. I do have 3 dogs and a cat, and we have lots of fur baby pet hair. So as you can see, that is just from one pass. And that is after I already vacuumed with the vacuum that I returned this morning. So some things that I do like about it is the LED light, the brush roll that doesn't get a bunch of hair tangled in it. Right down here, you'll see that there's a brush roll indicator. So when you see that green, you're good to go. If it's red, you need to adjust the suction control right there, which is great. For this nice area rug that we have, I have to put it pretty much all the way to there for it to work on the rug. Let's see, what else do we love? We love that it's a lift away. That's very convenient to go up and down my stairs, easy on the back. A couple things that I think they need to improve upon at Shark is this. As you can see, there's not like a little loop to hold the hose. You just snap it in here. But when I was vacuuming, it doesn't stay. And I carried it up and down the stairs and it doesn't stay. So that's kind of a bummer. Another feature that I don't really care for is the cord holder. I don't like the cord flinging around when I'm trying to vacuum. You just put it in this little slot right here. Oh, by the way, it never stays. So I end up carrying the cords.
I got the Shark self-cleaning brush roller, the lift away, refurbished, and everything seems to go in place. I just cannot find a place to put the 2 tools, which that's a little bit of a disappointment. But everything else went together fine. Has a suction control.